mother who's worried about her baby's health even while you're at work? Well, introducing the Niscomed Manual Breast Pump, a perfect solution for these worries. It's an extension of a mother's touch. Let us open and see the components and how to use them. This is perfectly designed for a comfortable usage and it has a leak-proof bottle. It is also anti-slip. Using this is super easy, so let's get started. It has a standard mouth which is made up of high-quality food-grade silicone material. The pedal shape and the bump design provides you a comfortable massage. Now to begin using it, you just simply need to place the breast shield over the breast and ensure that the silicone seal should fit around the breast. After placing it properly, press and release the handle until the milk begins to flow. It is recommended to use the half-stroke quicker pumping method to initiate the letdown and thereafter a fuller stroke to ensure a better feeding for your baby. After you're done with pumping, simply just detach the bottle from the pump and cover the lid with the cap. That's it, it's really simple. After using it, simply wipe the mouth of the pump with a clean cloth or a tissue paper. This manual breast pump is small, light in weight and very portable. And like we just saw, cleaning the parts of this pump is really easy. Simply put it in boiling water, clean it with a cloth or put it in a sterilizer. Or you can use a sterilizer. That's it. This is a super easy to use Niscomed manual breast pump.